Yo, haha, Magnificent.
What is good, YouTube? Your boy Magnificent back with another quick video, man. Today, the Yeezy 350 V2 Compact Carbon Slate. Holy smokes, that's like a mouthful. Just released today, and I don't know if it really sold out or it didn't. What I mean by that is because I know Yeezy Supply and Adidas likely sold out, but I'm pretty sure there's other sites that still have some pairs left. Size 13, I already know it's a wrap. Probably can't find it most places. But I was kind of intrigued by the shoe and kind of not, because it looked like a cross between the Yeezy knit basketball and the Yeezy 350 V2 series kind of fused together. And I don't know if that was their way of kind of making a low version and kind of tweaking it, but comment below, man. Let me know what you think about the Yeezy 350 V2 Compact Slate Carbon. You know, is it something that you would see yourself rocking, or you kind of like saying like the price point was too high at $230 in terms of US? I felt like some people were waiting more so for the Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx, which, by the way, is loaded on yeezysupply.com. If you're kind of looking at this video right now, various raffles out. If I believe the release date, I want to say it's June 7th or June 9th. I could be wrong. Just double check. But right now, the Yeezy Foam Runners are out. The Onyx version are coming out, at least soon. But, you know, comment below. Let me know if you copped the Yeezy 350 V2 Compact Slate Carbon, and why did you cop it? What kind of attracted you to do it? Me personally, I did not go after the shoe. I didn't go after it. And the reason why is because I have the 350 V2, the regular, and it's like, is it really much of a difference for me to go from a V2 to a compact version that has a basketball knit upper? To me, it didn't make sense to actually jump from one to the other. So, you know, maybe they'll come out with a colorway that kind of appeals more to me, although I felt like that color is pretty good. It's just that it's not for your boy. I am out for now. Today is Saturday, and you guys, actually, before I go, I have a little secret right now. So your boy's actually been behind the scenes working, and I kind of had that issue where, at least I had that issue, where I'm looking at certain color palettes for certain clothes, and I'm trying to figure out what things go to what shoe. Those days are done. So your boy Magnificent actually has a surprise coming. Look for that video. Hopefully, I want to say in about 2 weeks or so, maybe 3. But I'll kind of announce it. I'm going to keep it on wraps for now. But, you know, big things coming. Big things coming. Networking, by the way. But anyway, your boy Magnificent, man. I am out. And you guys, stay blessed.